January 6th, 2019. Our first hike of the new year. We're going to try and find a bench that I installed with my brother 20 years ago. Still, see if it's still standing. I haven't been back here in a couple of years anyway. Hopefully we don't get lost and make it out by dark. Stay on target. Came at us from behind. This looks familiar. Back in the hubs. Is it still there? Looks like it's still there. Oh my goodness. Here. This way. Come on, yeah. Look. You guys get moving. Go on. Go on. Brown, just go. Oh no. Oh no. See, Sydney went the right way. This is way more rutted than I remember. And it is still standing. Whew. The end of the trail, 1999. Buff boy, that was parents Bichon. There's my brother's initials. I can't remember any of this. There's my initials. And there used to be a somebody signed their name like September 10th, 2001, which was the last day of freedom in this country, right, dogs? Some idiots tried to chop it down. That was early on. But it's still here. Actually wandered in this way, which I don't think you can get in by car anymore, but with my 86 dual range Subaru. I think it was a tank. Oh, that's cool. You guys ready to head back? Alright, let's go. A lot of water flow. This would typically be frozen this time of year. Now we installed this the year Blair Witch Project came out, and my brother and I had gone to see it, and we were like, that was terrible. Not scary, just kind of dumb. But when we installed the bench, it was late and got dark, and you get a little freaked out in the woods. And we're like, maybe we should go see that again. Maybe we got a little scare in us. Nah, it wasn't any scarier. But now just Walking up back, we got a little bit of wind blowing and trees creaking. That's scarier than that movie altogether. But it looks like we're gonna make it out before dark, so. And we're almost out. Makes it a little extra interesting coming in this way. This is, of course, not the main entrance to this preserve. But you do park in a cemetery. The edge of one. Which means nothing to these dogs. I want to go through the mud. And we'll all be there someday. Enjoy it while it lasts, right, fellas?